Hi, I'm Steve Coleman with Ohio State University, and as part of this North Central SARE hop project looking at hops and soil fertility, soil health, we're going to be showing you today about how to pool petiole nitrate samples. Okay, so the basic protocol is to identify your sampling area or your plot, however many plants that might be. Some folks have smaller plots, like maybe 10 plants, some might have up to 50, and you're going to want to space your sampling around. Let's just assume for the purposes today we've got a very small kind of sampling area. We're going to essentially pull 20 leaves, 20 petioles, and submit that, or we're going to actually process that for measuring that with our meter. And the process, we're going to be looking at something between 5 and 6 feet. Okay, so we've got our hops growing. I'm fairly tall, I'm 6'4", so I'm going to be looking for something around the 5 or 6 foot mark. Okay, and the process is just to go and to identify what we would call representative, somewhat random but not fully random leaves, and include that in our sampling. So we don't want to find leaves that have a lot of predation, a lot of insect damage, or have a lot of disease. We kind of want to avoid those areas and just look for a quote-unquote normal looking leaf. So the process is, if Nicole wants to come up closer, we're going to identify a leaf. Here's the leaf, here's the petiole piece, and I'm going to pull that off. And if we take a look, so of course we have this leaf, and then this long stem is what our petiole is, and that's what we're actually going to use for measure the sap in there for nitrate. So that's why we call it petiole nitrate. Okay, so that's one sample. I'm going to pull that leaf off, and we can just discard the leaf in the hop yard. This is one sample, and we can take a clean bag or just a little plastic tote, something that's clean, and we're going to do that and pop that in. Okay, now you can take, again, depending on your sampling area, you can take a number of different petioles per plant, or we might actually want to move over here and pull another one. So Nicole, I'll ask you to get a little bit closer. All I'm doing here is just kind of pinching and pulling at the same time. Again, here's the petiole, and we're gonna pull that off, discard the leaf, and then here's our petiole that we're gonna put in our bag and take back. You can do this in the field, but we're going to take you back to a building, our lab, and actually show you how to use that nitrate meter.